Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best garage shelving on Amazon. As some homes get smaller and smaller, space becomes even more important in garages. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Original black and yellow 4-tier storage shelving. The storage shelving is a highly versatile and durable storage solution designed to meet the needs of homeowners, garage enthusiasts, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. With its sturdy construction and ample storage space, this shelving unit offers a convenient way to organize and declutter any space. With its 5 spacious shelves, the original yellow storage shelving offers abundant storage capacity for a wide range of items. Each shelf has a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds, allowing users to store heavy tools, equipment, and supplies with ease. Whether you need to organize your garage, shed, basement, or warehouse, this shelving unit provides enough space to keep everything in order. Setting up the original yellow storage shelving is a breeze. The package includes all the necessary hardware and step-by-step instructions to guide users through the assembly process. Number 2. Seville Classics Commercial Grade Steel Wire Shelving. The Seville Classics Commercial Grade Steel Wire Shelving is 18x48x72.5 inches, but it also comes in several other sizes. You can adjust the shelves in 1-inch increments. The rack includes wheels and weighs 78.3 pounds. The weight capacity is 4,000 pounds if you use just the leveling feet or 500 pounds if you choose to use the wheels. We like this option because the wheels allow you to easily position it in your garage as well as other areas of your home. It is constructed of industrial strength steel, so it's designed to last, as well as chrome plating that provides corrosion resistance. Users like that it's easy to assemble, high quality, and very sturdy. Also, customer service is very helpful should you experience any issues. One downside is that it can be hard to level these shelves on an uneven garage floor. There have also been some complaints that the shelves may be damaged during shipping. Number 3. FlexiMounts 2-pack Wall Shelf. The FlexiMounts 2-foot by 6-foot wall shelves are a terrific choice for garages, offices, and even dorm rooms. They embody durability and sturdy workmanship. The heavy-duty wall-mounted garage shelving is made of heavy-gauge steel and comes with 7mm screws for extra secure mounting. In addition to the buckle design and Velcro fastening, a bubble level helps keep the shelves straight during installation. Once mounted on a garage wall, it can load up to 200 pounds on each shelf with even distribution even on concrete walls. The major drawback of these shelves is that they lack depth, so they can't hold as many items as some other types of shelves. In addition, there's no way to align them to create one long shelf. The manufacturer provides very few supports, so you'll have to place each shelf on 2 supports. Number 4. Seville Rack Storage System. Enter a great storage solution such as the Seville Classic 7-tier Commercial Storage Unit. The system comes with slide-out racks that you can use to compartmentalize your tools. The system's 7 tiers require minimal effort to assemble and disassemble. The structure feels solid, and its zinc finish gives it a look that works well in both home and commercial garages. The wire shelving unit also rests on casters for easy movement. The Seville Classics shelving system comes with 16 slide-out bins ranging from large to small. To avoid compromising the rack's stability, we advise that you limit movement while it's loaded. We also don't recommend it for certain commercial applications, as its shelves can't hold very heavy items. Its total weight capacity on casters is 500 pounds. Number 5. Gracious Living 4-shelf light-duty shelf unit. These shelves make organizing your garage a quick and easy chore. With no need for tools, the shelves and legs slide into place for a secure shelving unit that can support up to 55 pounds on each of its 4 shelves. Standing 2 feet wide, 1 foot deep, and 4 feet high, this option fits neatly into tight spaces. These shelves are perfect for smaller garages, entryways, or other areas that only require a small amount of storage. The black resin construction won't rust or chip like metal or coated shelves. The assembled shelving unit weighs slightly less than 8 pounds. Order individually, in pairs, or as a set of 4. However, this shelf's lightweight construction and compact size limit its storage capacity. You will need to store large and heavy items elsewhere. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.